Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to create a sticker from a snap that someone sent you. It's very easy, so let's start very quick with this tutorial. Alright, we have our chat here and Tommy Flux is a friend of mine that just sent a snap to me. If you tap on that snap, you will see this picture. I want to save this picture, but I want to create a sticker of this. So let's tap on the three dots right in the top. And let's remix this snap. From here you will see my face, but if we dive away, I can make a picture. And from here we can tap on the scissor. And now if we make a box like this, so this side, this side, this side, and this side, you will see that we just created a sticker from here. It's very easy to do. And if we go back now, so abandon this snap, go back, go away, and if we go to the camera, if we make a dark picture just right here, we can go to this symbol right here, and if we tap here on the scissor, you will see the sticker that we just have made. This is how easy it is. If you find this tutorial helpful, please smash a like, and hopefully I will see you in more videos. Ciao!